Hi, this is Aaron from Cognitive Edge, and today I'm going to be demoing how to add content into your teacher content dashboard for distribution to your student tablets in the classroom. What you're looking at right now is I've logged in as a teacher to my teacher dashboard in the web console, and this is displaying that I currently don't have any content added, which is the default. And at this point, I can add things into my content list to distribute to tablets in the class. So I'm going to start by going into the Add Content wizard. And from here you'll see that you can upload documents, website URLs, and Android applications. We're going to demo all three of these, and we'll start with a document. Documents can be images, they can be text documents or Word documents, they can be presentations like PowerPoints, they could be spreadsheets like Excel documents. Anything that you can bring up on a tablet can be added and distributed as content. For this demo, I'm going to actually upload a PDF, and it's actually a set of Shakespeare documents. So we'll call this Shakespeare documents. And I'm going to click Select File, which will allow me to browse my local computer for the file. It happens to be in my Documents directory here, so I can select that and choose it. And it's now uploading it into the cloud. It's complete here. If we finish this, we can now see in our content list that we have this Shakespeare documents piece of content. It's now ready to be distributed to to tablets in the classroom. From here you can see that we have a couple of different actions we can take. We can delete the file if we'd like. And also, this is interesting, we can download the Shakespeare documents file. The original file that we uploaded we can just download from the browser. And where this comes in handy is if you have a file on your home computer that you'd like to distribute, you can upload that file from your home computer into your dashboard and then log in again from another computer and download it there if you'd like to view it or edit it from another location and re-add it. So another thing that we can do from this screen is we can add folders. And what this allows me to do is it allows me to group all of my content into specific folders. So for instance, if I'm putting together a lesson on Van Gogh, I can create a folder called Van Gogh. And once I enter this Van Gogh folder, I can add content just like I did in the root, but it'll be grouped with other Van Gogh content. So we can add another document here. Maybe we'll add Starry Night. You can see in our documents we've got Starry Night. So we'll choose that and upload it. It's a rather large file, so it'll take just a moment to upload. Almost there. Alright, so now if we hit finish, you'll see just like we did before, we now have Starry Night as an image in our Van Gogh folder. So now if we head back to our root content directory here, you can see that we have our Van Gogh folder and the Shakespeare documents PDF that we initially uploaded. Now, actually let's go back to Van Gogh. What if we want to add some information about Van Gogh? Maybe the Van Gogh Wikipedia page would be helpful. So I'm just going to open a new tab here, and I'm going to search for Van Gogh. And here we have our Wikipedia page. Now if you look here, it's a fairly long page. There's a lot of links, there's a lot of information. And if we want to distribute this through Cognitive Edge, I'm just going to copy this URL here and come back over. I'll paste that URL in. And what's happening now is Cognitive Edge is actually going to go to that URL that you enter and create a copy of that website in a PDF format. And what that's going to do, it's going to allow you to distribute the web content to the students without enabling a web browser. So if you prefer not to allow the students to surf the web, you can limit them to only the content you'd like them to see. Now, in PDFs created this way, the links are active. So if you have enabled the browser, they will be able to follow those links and browse. However, if you have not enabled the browser on the students' tablets, or devices, they will not be able to follow those links. So now in our Van Gogh directory here we've got Starry Night and our wiki printout. Now if I go and I click on this PDF, you can see that it's going to download that. And what it'll actually do is once it's down, it's going to load it up. So this is not the original website. This is a PDF copy of the website. And as I mentioned already, all of those links that are in blue are followable links if the browser is enabled. If not, then the student is limited to the information that you're distributing. So I'm going to close that, and we'll go back to our content here. And how about let's add an Android application? So there are multiple ways to get an Android application. One of them is to go to the Play Store, the Google Play Store, and download an application that way. What that does for you is it allows you to load it on your local system, and it allows students to do the same thing. However, it does not allow you to distribute an application to the students in class. And what this will allow you to do is actually upload the APK application file to distribute and execute on the student tablets. So I've actually gone to an Android application download website, and I found this MATLAB graphing calculator. So I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to upload this. So it's very important to know that you have to have legal rights to distribute these applications in order to use this feature. It's illegal to distribute applications you do not have the rights to do so for. So I'm going to click Finish here. And now you'll see in your list you've got this MATLAB Calc application. And so now all of the things that are in this list are available for distribution on the student tablets once they've joined your class. That's the end of this demo. There's going to be another video coming up that will show you how to distribute this stuff in the classroom. And so this is it for now. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you soon.